Today's project is to make my welding cart much easier to move around on rough terrain. This is a Pool Boys sawmill production, and you're going to see that the cart is a little top heavy. It has 2 gas tanks, the welder, and spare rolls of wire and aluminum welding rods. The front little caster wheels are very difficult to use on rough terrain. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, what you see here is my Harbor Freight welder and cart. It's got a tank. They have habitually small wheels on the front. So wheels on the back. They work okay on concrete, but let me show you where I'm at. I am doing Pool Boys sawmill number 2, much larger unit. Okay, I'm going to stop for a second while the noise goes by. And this is a dirt floor on this thing. This just ain't cutting it. Trying to work that thing around with the, it's only got a 6-foot stinger. It's got a 6-foot ground clamp too, but Jesus, this thing is 20 feet long. I need to be able to move this, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to be able to move it a lot easier. Okay, so hold on. What I have done is taking a portion of an old lawnmower handlebar, bent it in a little bit. I have drilled a hole right there. The handlebar will fit there on a pivot, okay, and it will come up and rest against here. So now I can pick this up like a wheelbarrow and move it around, and I'll show you that. I can pick it up, move it around like a wheelbarrow, and I'll show you that. All right. I think I might have to narrow up the handlebars a little bit, but for right now and demonstration, I'm going to show you how I can use this more like a wheelbarrow. And let me tell you, that would be a plus. I am going to just put a temporary prop in here. The reason I don't weld one in there is because I have very narrow aisle in there and I don't want it catching on my clothing. So, across here. Okay. Now I can pick it up, move it around like a doggone wheelbarrow. With the big wheels first. This cart is kind of heavy. With the 2 tanks in place. Thank you for watching. I know I'm going to enjoy that much better.